Hi, this is Kamya Johar, firstborn to my parents and an elder sister to two siblings, an engineer turned digital marketer and an influencer. You are now listening to the transcript. One of the greatest advances in modern technology has been the invention of computers. They are widely used in industries and in universities. Now, there is hardly any sphere of human life where computers have not been pressed into service of man. We are heading fast towards the day when a computer will be as much part of man's daily life as a telephone or a calculator. Computers are capable of doing extremely complicated work in all branches of learning. They can solve the most complex mathematical problems or put thousands of unrelated factors in order. These machines can be put to varied uses. For instance, they can provide information in the best way to prevent traffic jams. This whole process by which machines can be used to work for us has been called automation. In the future, automation may enable human beings to enjoy more leisure than they do today. The coming of automation is bound to have important social consequences. Some years ago, an expert on automation, Sir Leon Bagret, pointed out that it was a mistake to believe that these machines could think. There is no possibility that human beings will be controlled by machines. Though computers are capable of learning from their mistakes and improving on their performance, they need detailed instructions from human beings to operate. They can never, as it were, lead dependent lives or rule the world by making decisions on their own. Sir Leon said that in future, computers would be developed which would be small enough to carry in the pocket. Ordinary people would then be able to use them to obtain valuable information. Computers could be plugged into national network and be used like radios. For instance, people going on holiday could be informed about weather conditions. Car drivers can be given alternative routes where there are traffic jams. It will also be possible to make tiny translating machine. This will enable people who do not share a common language to talk to each other without any difficulty or to read foreign publications. You are now listening to the questions. Question number 1. The greatest dash in modern technology is the invention of computers. Option A, disaster. Option B, advancement. Option C, growth. Option D, breakdown. Computers can dash. Option A, solve the most complex mathematical problems. Option B, put thousands of unrelated facts in order. Option C, provide information in the best way to prevent traffic jams. Option D, all of the above. You are now listening to question number 3. Automation is the whole process by which dash can be used to work for us. Option A, machines. Option B, computers. Option C is industries. Option D is all of these. Question number 4. Very soon, dash may enable human beings to enjoy more leisure than they do today. Option A is computers. Option B, automation. Option C, machines. Option D, robots. Question number 5. Why can't computers lead independent lives or rule the world? Question number 6. How would computers as translating machines help people? Question number 7. What was the prediction of Sir Leon about computers in future? Question number 8. How can computers help people going on a holiday? Stay tuned to my channel for more listening videos. Till then, stay happy, stay peaceful, stay grateful. Tada!